Character is never built in a classroom. Character is built in the circumstances of life. The classroom Bible study is simply the place to identify character qualities and teach how character is developed. We are able to respond correctly when God places us in character building opportunities. God builds character in our lives by allowing us to experience situations like conflict, disappointment, difficulty, temptation, times of dryness, and delays. We are tempted to do the exact opposite of the character quality. Character development always involves a choice. When we make the right choice, our character grows more like Christ. If you want to know what Christ-like character looks like, a good place to start is the list of 9 character qualities Paul enumerates in Galatians 5 verse 22 to 23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. The fruit of the Spirit is a perfect picture of Christ. He embodied all 9 qualities. If you're going to develop Christ-like character, you too must have these qualities in your life. Now, understanding this, how does your attitude toward and perspective in your situation change? In in First Peter chapter 2 verse 11 to 12, it says that, "Dear friend, I warn you as temporary residents and foreigners to keep away from sinful desires. Be careful to live properly among your unbelieving neighbors. Them, even if they accuse you of doing wrong, they may see your good behavior, and they will honor to God when He judges the world. Brethren, you are the salt and the light." And and God says in His word, faith without work is dead. You must show your faith through your work. When you find yourself in life difficulties decision, just simply ask yourself, what would Jesus do? What would Jesus do? Jesus bless you.